Hello everyone, my name is Rishi Suthar and I am a third year student of IHM Ahmedabad. So today I got the hamper of the Karamat. So from today Karamat products we will make something new known as Paneer Roulade with Makhni Gravy. So for starting the recipe, we will take 400 ml of water in a container or a bowl as our tomato Makhni Gravy mix suggests. Now we will add tomato Makhni Gravy mix in the container and we will mix it well and keep it aside for 20 minutes. We will do the same process again with the white gravy. Mix it with water and keep it aside for 20 minutes. Now in a pan boil 600 ml of water as per the instructions. Then add the white gravy mix and let it boil and simmer for 20 minutes till it gets thickened. After that add pistachio and grated coconut